Do you have notes written in a copybook that you need to digitize? You don't have to waste time typing them out. Go to Google Play Store and search here Google Keep. Google Keep. Typing out handwritten notes is time consuming and often unnecessary. The Google Keep app has a hidden feature. You simply take a photo of your handwritten note and the app's AI read the handwriting and convert it into editable digital text. It's perfect for quick notes and rapid digitization. Remember the disclaimer, I am sharing knowledge about the app's OCR feature. The cleaner the handwriting, the more accurate the conversation will be. Make your notes smart. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tech hacks. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.